In this lesson, we will look at how to add and create a lesson, configure each element, edit text, and set up the course program. Using the block-based lesson builder, you can create a lesson from various types of media content, combine different materials to make learning more engaging and effective, audio and video lectures, text instructions, downloadable guides, examples of work, and more. Go to the course and click Add Lesson. This is the lesson builder. To add another lesson, click the Add Lesson button in the lower left corner of the page. Configure student access to the lesson by selecting one of the options: open, hidden, close, or scheduled content availability for a specific date. The minimum completion time toggle allows you to specify how many minutes and seconds a student must spend viewing this lesson. Enable the checkpoint lesson toggle to make students complete this lesson before moving on to the next lesson or test. Click Apply, enter the lesson title. When creating a lesson, you can add the following builder elements: text, gallery, audio, file, line, indent, homework, and button. Drag the desired element into the workspace to work with it. Text is used to add a text block to the page. You can use formatting options such as undo, redo, structure settings, text size, style, color, background color, highlighting, hyperlinks, list, alignment, and code. In the right-hand panel, you can also change the text style and choose from preset fonts. To customize the font for a specific block, click Customize and set the parameters. Then click Save. Gallery is used to visualize content and add multimedia elements to the page: images, carousels, or videos. Drag the gallery element to the workspace, then select the gallery type and configure it in the right-hand panel. Audio allows you to upload audio materials. File is used for uploading files that cannot be played directly on the lesson page. Students need to download them to their device to view them. Drag the file element, click Choose File in the right-hand panel, then select a file from the file manager or upload a new one. Divider and spacer are used for visual organization of space and for separating content blocks on the page. Task is used to reinforce what has been learned in the lesson and help students apply their knowledge in a practical task. Button is used to add a link to another page. For example, you can invite students to register for another course. Choose the button element, then add the button text and link, and enable the option to open the link in a new window. You can also adjust the button size, text, and background color, add a contour, and change its width and alignment on the page. All elements can be copied to another lesson, duplicated, or deleted. The same applies to entire lessons. Click the three dots next to the lesson title and select the desired action. Thank you for your attention. In the next lesson, we will talk about homework assignments in a course.